The look and performance of your beautiful Laura Ashley upholstered furniture seat pads can be preserved with a little regular maintenance. All cushion pads will flatten a little in use, so it's important to plump them regularly, following the instructions in the care information provided with your furniture. If your seat pads have polyester fibre or fibre and feather fillings, you should maintain them after each day's use. Simply plump the cushions firmly on their outside borders to restore air between the fibres. At least weekly, you should complete a more thorough maintenance. The more often you do this, the better your pad fillings will perform. Place the cushion on one edge and beat the opposite edge with the flat of your hands. The more vigorously you do this, the better. Do this for each of the cushion's 4 sides. Finally, give the cushion a good shake to distribute the fibres around the pad. You should occasionally remove the cushion pads from their covers to be plumped. Foam with a fibre wrap is a firmer and more supportive filling than fibre. You should plump your foam with fibre wrap cushions regularly to restore air between the fibres of the wrap and to maintain the shape of your pads. Reversible cushions of any filling type should be swapped and turned regularly to ensure equal wear. Non-reversible cushions should have the pad removed and turned over to spread the wear. You should regularly redress upholstery covers to realign the seat edges. Fixed upholstered backs and seats without separate cushions are low maintenance. Contact is focused in specific areas, which may result in body moulding as the fabric or leather relaxes. Your routine maintenance should include smoothing any puddling or ripples in fabric to the outer edges of the furniture.